Hi guys, today I am going to explain how to stop and start the EC2 instance automatically by using CloudWatch. So this is my AWS console. Before going to CloudWatch configuration, firstly we need to create policies to start and stop the instance. So and that policy should assign to the roles so that first to create policies just go to IAM. IAM is nothing but identity access management where we can create roles and add users. So firstly we want to here we can see in the right panel we have policies. So click on policies. So create policies. So in these services we want to choose like EC2 instance where we want to stop and stop the EC2 instance. So click on EC2 instance and click EC2, and in the actions we want to specify start. We have default functions like start instance, click on that, and also we want to stop the instance, so want to click on stop. We have default function stop instance, and if you see in the down we have resources. Here we want to click on the all resources as we are using all the resources, and click on review policies. So here mention the name as like I am giving like Satya stop and start. Satya stop and start and stop. Here I am mentioning the description like start and stop, and let it be like default, and click on create policies. So we created a policy, so we can check that whether the policy is created or not. So click on, so here we can see that policies. So these policies should assign to the roles. So click on the roles, create a role, and here we want to select Lambda and click on permissions, and we created a policy. So this policy should be assigned to roles. So click on that and click on tags and click on review and give the name to the role. So stop and start, and we can mention here as a description as we are going to start and stop the instance by using the lambda function. Okay, so let's go to create role. So the role has created here. So next you want to go to lambda function. So lambda, click on lambda. So we want to create a function, and click the give the name of the function name. I'm giving stop instance, and choose the role which we created before. Choose an existing role. In the existing role, is stop and start. Click on that and click on create function. So before going to stop the instance, I will show the my instances. This instance is running, so that I will stop this instance by using the lambda function. So let's go and configure. So click on, so if you come down you can see this. So I want to copy the code for stopping the instance, so let's do that. So copy it and paste it. So you can copy this, and we want to follow some. So let it be like this. So here we are showing some error. So it is nothing but like we need to give some symbols correctly. So and also we want to give here even the inverted commas. If we give wrong, it won't be execute properly. So in the next it's showing here an array. So we have here inverted comma. So after completion of this, just give save. As we mentioned here, instance region and instance ID. So we want to configure this region and ID. So let's go to see, select a test event, configure test event. So in this we want to configure the instance ID. So let's change the name of this to stop instance. So here copy this and paste it. So here we want to mention that instance region and instance region and instance ID. So let's go and do this. So if we go here, we can see we want to stop this instance. So select this ID, copy and paste here. Paste here. And also we want to copy the EC instance region. So we can see the instance region here. Copy and paste it. We are getting some error here because of this inverted commas. So let's change this. Let's change this. Change this. Okay. Now there is no error. Just click on create. So our function has created. So let's test this. Click on test. So we can see in the description that the response is like successfully stopped. So let's see that whether it is stopped or not. So just refresh here and we can see that the instance is going to stop. So let's start the EC2 instance by using the Lambda function. So let's do this. So go to Lambda function here, go to Lambda, click on Lambda. So create function, give the name of the function. We are going to start now. So is start instance, and choose the role. Click on existing role. On existing role, we have role as stop and start instance. Click on that and click on create function. So we created a function, start function. So let's go here, and so you want to copy the code again for start function, start instance, sorry. Let's go here, let's go here and copy the code and copy and paste it. So as we said before, it should be like you want to use correctly. So here also we want to change the commas, change the commas, and also here. So after doing this, let's save this, as we want to configure the instance region and instance ID for to start the instance. So save this, and we want to configure the instance region and install the instance ID. So click on configure test events. So let's give the name start instance, first instance. So as we done before, we want to give the instance ID, instance name. Just copy this and paste it. So we want to mention the instance ID and also the instance region. So let's go to EC2 instance, and as we can see that it is stopped, so we are starting the EC2 instance. So copy this, copy, paste it, and also we want to mention the region. So EC1, copy and paste it. So here the inverted commas should not be like this, it should be like this. So let's change this. So you can see the color also, when before it was like black, so when you change the correct sentence it's became like blue. Okay, After doing this, just click on create. Okay, fine. Go to now check whether it will be start or not. Click on text. So we can see that the response is successfully started. So let's see whether the instance is started or not. So just give refresh here. So we can see that it's initializing. Let's wait for start the instance. Okay, it's going to initialize. It's going to initialize. It's still loading. Just refresh it once. So we can see that the instance is running now automatically. So by this, now we are creating lambda and we are creating function and we are doing this. So we want like for every for particular time the instance should be stop and start. For doing that, we want to go to for that we want to go to is click on CloudWatch. CloudWatch is a monitoring tool. So go to CloudWatch and click on CloudWatch. So we can see that here we have some things, some roles, event books, logs inside. So go to rules here and we want to create a rule. Here we have like schedule. It means like for when we want to go to con expression, this is like expression where we will be giving the particular corn expression. For example, we can see that the time is 5:11. So we will be stopping the instance at 5:12. So no, now time is 5:11. So we'll give 5:12 has like 12, and then now time is 5. It means 5. It is like PM. So that we want to mention 17 and star star. Yes, so that we can see the timings, particular timing. Sorry, the time is like 5:12. It's saying sorry. Let's take 5:13 here. 5:13. 13, 17, star, star, question mark, and star. So we can see the timings now. When we want to stop, like it is like some timings. So here add like in the target we want to give that lambda function, and this is like stop instance configure details. Name as stop instance. Description as like stop instance and create rule. So the rule has created successfully. So successfully, and in the stop instance, it's becoming so late. So actions, edit the core function to 15, so that we can wait and see whether the it will be like thing or not. Configure details, update the rule. So the stop instance rule has created. So let wait until the 5:15, so we can check the whether it will be automatically stopping or not. Okay, so that now the instance is running. So let's wait for 1 minute for checking that whether the instance will stop or not. So we can see that 5:15 the time is, so that just refresh this, this instance is not getting creating.